Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpackaging to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This package was sent by Mitchell. Thank you very much, Mitchell. Let's find out what's inside. Perfect. Why would I ever need to sharpen this? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, maybe there's a note in one of the pouches. All right, so what do we got here? First one. Oh, ooh, boy, what is this? Oh, the name of it will be on the screen right now, and then I will link this right down below. Oh my gosh, that is cool. Look at the grind. Okay, so I know, a lot of people either know or, they're going to feel obligated to say that doesn't necessarily add in day-to-day utility. It's just for looks. Yeah, kinda. There might be specific circumstances where you'd want the edge up here to be thinner, the grind back here to be thicker, right? Don't know what is happening with the swedge, but I'll tell you right now, whether you're new to this, whether you've been around for a while, no matter what here's what I think. I think that blade looks awesome. In fact, I think the overall profile of this knife looks really cool. I like this a lot. I don't know what the pocket clip looks cool. No, it's really not that sharp. Boy, look how they do that. Seam all just 2 pieces of titanium. Boy, I've seen quite a few cool knives from WE here lately. They're backing off from the crazy, ooh, it's got to look like a gigantic capital S with a horn sticking out of it, right? No, this is a little more, this area is straight, and then they kept all the crazy up here. Yeah. Who's the designer? Let's say TNT. Oh, okay. CPM 20 CV. Boy, that's a nice knife, guys. Yeah. Oh, goodness. I will make sure, if I can, link that one right down in the description. Next up, we have... This is a Kershaw Emerson Auto. CPM 154. So not part of the launch series, I don't think. I feel like I've seen this on Blade HQ recently, so I will link this one down below. Kershaw does a great job with their automatic knives. Here's the thing. Here's a nice thing about these. I've said this many times. US made, high quality, very inexpensive compared to your other prominent US automatic knives out there, the other companies that produce them. Power's okay. It's pretty typical of what I expect from Kershaw. It'll definitely deploy. CPM 154, I'm a huge fan of that steel. Aluminum scales, I have no problem with aluminum scales. I'd prefer that over plastic scales. Plastic autos or FRN autos make me barf, so this is definitely much preferred. So there you go. I'll make sure that one is linked right down below. These are not reviews, by the way. This is first time I've ever handled any of this stuff. So just first impressions. We'll do the reviews a few weeks down the road for each individual knife. And then third, we have a I'm almost certain that is a Ferrum Forge. Yeah, Ferrum Forge Massdrop. I cannot remember the name of this one either. But I think this one's been gone for a bit. I think I remember saying yes to this one. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to review it since it's been gone for a while. But it is cool. I do like Ferrum Forge's ability to create a full-sized forward choil. That's always something that makes me happy. It just drives me nuts when they're like, yeah, put your finger up there. Oh, wait, we forgot. Your fingers have to be, roughly the same thickness as a green bean or they won't fit in there. I hate that. Like, do a full forward choil or don't do it at all. Obviously, it's going to vary depending on the size of the person's finger. If your finger is twice the thickness of mine, it will not fit in here, and it might as well be a green bean. But I feel like most people have around this thickness of finger, so I like this choil. Listen to me trying to justify what I'm saying here. Like the titanium, I think this is all just bead blasted tie, steel lock bar insert. The action's good, very nice. I don't think that's available anymore. Whenever I see Massdrop, I think, oh, so it dropped a while ago. The coolest one of the bunch is this guy right here. I love how that looks. And, you know, truthfully, just day to day, this area up here is thinner, right? So if you're going to cut into packages, there you go. And it's thicker back here for your power cuts. And why would it need to be thicker for power cuts? I think it would honestly be more beneficial if this was obviously, I think for day-to-day stuff, it's more beneficial that the entire blade is thinner. But it sure does look cool. These compound grinds, generally what we see with a compound grind is that it's thicker up here and thinner back here. But they've reversed it. Looks neat. I like how it looks a lot. This is full-size knife. I think probably about 8 inches. Put it up against the Ritter Hogue. Yeah, 8-inch knife. Probably about a 3.5-inch blade. Very cool stuff. All right, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. I'll link these down below. Like I said, look out for the individual reviews of at least these two in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.